Hi everyone, today we're going to be working on putting the HVAC hoses, your low and high pressure hoses on the car. I was able, as you saw in the other video, take it down to a local shop and for a few bucks a crimp was able to have everything crimped up, and so now I just need to put it on the car. One thing you have to do is you have to make sure you oil your O-rings. Oil your O-rings. A little tough to say. And so I'm doing that off camera, and then just getting everything on the car. And then I think I'm gonna borrow a vacuum and manifold system to actually test this. Not actually put Freon in the car at this moment, but actually test that there's no leaks. Therefore, I can put the body on the car and know that everything behind the dash, which is impossible to get to once the body's on the car, is 100% solid. And then kind of go from there. So I got everything set up, but I'm missing a wrench that will fit the number 10 connector. And that ends up being 1 inch and 1/16 wrench. So I need to go get one of those. And I'm gonna grab one of those, and then probably in the next video, I'll finish that up and go on to a bunch of other things. Till next time, have a great day.